In TouchDesigner, there's a simple way to create this glyph dither using noise and top to pop. If you're completely new to TouchDesigner, just comment "Guide" to receive an interactive starter kit with everything you need to learn about the program. Now let's dive in. Here's exactly how I built this generative dithering glyph system. I started with a constant chop to define the global scale, which keeps everything proportional throughout the network. This drives the resolution of my main noise top. The critical trick here is setting the viewer smoothness to nearest pixel and animating the translate parameter. That's what gives us this hard-edged digital grid look. Next, I pipe that texture into a top to pop to convert pixels into points, using a delete pop to strip away the empty space so we only keep the bright spots. For the first layer, I'm instancing a simple rectangle onto those points. The color logic is handled by a lookup pop driven by this animating ramp, while an LFO chop handles the y-axis rotation to bring it to life. For the second layer, I just grabbed the inverse of that original noise pattern, using a level top, and swapped the geometry for a circle pop. Layer 3 creates these crosses. I merged two thin rectangles together and instanced them on a third variation of the noise. Everything comes together in the render top using an orthographic camera. I set the pixel format to 32-bit float mono alpha and cranked the contrast. That's how you get this generative aesthetic that is completely reactive. I built this interactive guide to break down the core concepts of TouchDesigner so you can nail your first project from scratch. It features step-by-step videos and concrete explanations so you truly understand the software. Comment guide and I'll send you the starter kit.